What is it that Linux can do but Windows can't? Ever wondered why some people swear by Linux while others stick with Windows? Let's dive into what Linux can do that Windows can't. 1. Customization. First up, customization. Linux gives you control over almost every aspect of your operating system. Want a minimalist interface? Go for a lightweight desktop like LXDE. Prefer something flashy? Try KDE or GNOME. With Linux, the choice is yours. Windows. You're mostly stuck with what Microsoft provides. 2. Reviving old hardware. Linux is perfect for reviving old hardware. While Windows often demands the latest and greatest specs, Linux can run smoothly on machines that are over a decade old. Distributions like Lubuntu and Puppy Linux are designed specifically for low-resource systems. 3. Free and open source. One of Linux's biggest advantages is that it's free and open source. You can download it, modify it, and share it without paying a cent. Windows, on the other hand, locks you into its ecosystem and licenses. 4. Faster updates and fewer reboots. Updates on Linux are faster and don't require constant reboots. You can even update your entire system, including third-party apps, from one place. With Windows, updates can feel like a waiting game, and then there's that dreaded restart reminder. 5. Advanced tools for developers and admins. Linux is a favorite for developers and system administrators. It comes with powerful tools like Bash, SSH, and cron jobs out of the box. While Windows has PowerShell, it doesn't match Linux's flexibility for scripting and automation. 6. Security and privacy. When it comes to security, Linux is less prone to malware and viruses. Its permission-based structure and open-source nature mean vulnerabilities are spotted and fixed quickly. With Windows, security often feels like a cat-and-mouse game with hackers. So, whether you're into customization, need a lightweight OS, or want advanced tools without breaking the bank, Linux has a lot to offer. Sure, it's not perfect for everyone, but for those who want control and efficiency, Linux is hard to beat.